What is going on YouTube? In this video we're going to compare two very popular drones on the market today that are under $500. They both shoot 4K at 30 frames a second, except for the ZIno also shoots at 60 frames a second. Today we're going to be comparing the cameras with ND filters 8 and 16 at sunset. Alright, let's get into the video. right, so I wanted to give you my thoughts and conclusions on these two flights. The Fimi X8 went in first, and it had better lighting conditions, while the ZIno came in second, or should I say, did the second flight, but it had a little better, more dramatic conditions that you see in the sky right now. But my controller was running out of power, and so I only got the ND8 filter flight in. I'm hoping that I can charge the controller really quick and get the next flight in, but as it stands right now, I can't wait to get back to see what it looks like on my computer. All right, thanks for watching. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of the channel, hit that subscribe button, or shall we say, smash that subscribe button, guys. Thanks for watching.